Welcome to this short tutorial video of V3S. To create a new project, simply click the New Project entry on Visual Studio's Start page and select V3S Project Wizard from the list. The wizard allows you to choose from a variety of project types. For example, to import from an existing Altera Cordis project, simply specify its project file. On the wizard's summary page you can review the new project's properties. The created project contains a folder holding Vhdl default libraries, and, in this case, a virtual folder for code files from outside the project directory. The property window allows you to change settings like content type, library name, notification level and parsing options on a per-file basis. For a module's library, you can choose from a list of already existing libraries, or simply enter a new name. To enable this handy scrollbar, Microsoft's free PowerTools extension must be installed in Visual Studio. The navigation bars allow you to quickly navigate between modules inside a single file. Hovering the mouse over an identifier shows the corresponding Quickinfo window. Use the Goto definition command or press F12 on any symbol to jump to its definition. Navigate back using the shortcut Ctrl-. Of course, V3S also supports code folding. You can collapse different programming blocks to enhance in-file navigation. A very useful feature is tuple highlighting. Code blocks that belong to the same programming construct are automatically highlighted for improved readability, which is especially useful when code blocks span multiple screens. The built-in expression evaluator resolves numerical constants and shows the result in the corresponding Quickinfo window. To insert a new synchronous process, simply type SP followed by tabulator. The snippet editor automatically offers you existing choices for the clock and reset signals. Code completion offers you a list of defined names based on the current input. A tooltip is shown for each entry, and the list is further filtered as you enter additional characters. Type time syntax and semantic checks highlight errors as you enter your code. If you have the PowerTools extension installed, errors are indicated with a red dot in the scrollbar. Visual Studio's error window also contains a list of all errors found. Once you correct an error, the indicators will be removed accordingly. Another extremely useful feature is automatic number conversion. V3S converts numbers, bit strings and base number literals to decimal, hexadecimal and binary format if you hover the mouse over them. Given the strongly typed nature of Vhdl, this feature will save you a lot of time, as there is no need to manually convert numbers anymore. While I enter some more signal definitions, notice that V3S highlights identifiers according to their type. Thus, signals, variables, types, constants and so on can be colorized differently. As already mentioned earlier, auto-completion shows a tooltip for each entry in the list as soon as it is selected. V3S is also capable of record resolution. As soon as you hit the period key after a record type, a list of corresponding record fields is displayed. State machines can efficiently be implemented using another one of V3S code snippets. Type CS followed by tabulator and choose from the list of proposed state signals. V3S automatically creates the case block for all states of the selected signal. Smart Indentation helps you to efficiently write code. While entering code, V3S automatically indents the source code according to your preferred style. Creating module instances is especially easy with V3S. Type I followed by tabulator and select a module from the list. V3S automatically creates an instance and connects default signals to each port. When dealing with Vhdl, one of the most important features of Visual Studio is the block edit feature. While holding the Alt key, click and select a few lines. You can now edit multiple lines simultaneously.